The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and allows you to safely utilize certain iPhone features with your vehicle. Before using CarPlay with your Subaru, please ensure you're using an iPhone 5 or newer model, that you have updated your phone to the latest iOS, that you have updated all the apps you intend to use with CarPlay, and that Siri is turned on in your iPhone settings. Apple CarPlay might not function correctly if one of the apps is outdated or having an issue. You can update your apps in the App Store through your iPhone. To connect your iPhone to your Subaru, you will need an MFI-certified 8-pin Lightning cable. You should see Works with Apple CarPlay or Made for iPhone, iPad, iPod icons on the cable or packaging. To start using Apple CarPlay, connect your Lightning cable to your phone and then to either USB port located directly below the head unit. When prompted, enable Apple CarPlay. You have the option to press Don't Show again, then press Yes. On your iPhone, press Allow when prompted. In a few moments, CarPlay will launch in your Subaru touchscreen. You can customize your CarPlay experience in the settings of your iPhone. On your iPhone, press Settings, General, CarPlay, choose your Subaru, Customize. Here you can enable and disable the apps that work with CarPlay and rearrange their order. To activate Siri, press and hold the voice recognition button on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, or simply say, "Hey Siri."